Hello there, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover. Hope you're well. Wanted to do a quick video on this car. It's just come in. Really nice car. Also quite a rare car in the fact that it's a 130. So as far as the details are concerned of the car, we're on an X-Dynamic and we're a D350 HSE. Now it's finished in Santorini Black and we've got the black pack on the car, so we've got the black checkered plating and we've got the black inserts down here. We also have the nice grey finish as an offset on the Defender lettering as well. If we just come around to the side of the car, you'll notice we've got the nice big gloss black wheels in there for you. They are on a 22-inch wheel, which finish off really nicely. We've got the Defender lettering on the alloy wheels as well. If we come around the side of the car, again we've got the gloss black on the side and along the sills, and these little buttons on here denote that the car has got the keyless entry as well. We also have the black panel on here, which was an option because this otherwise would have just come in a grey. If we just come around to the rear of the car, this is the new model year, so the differences are the checkered plating, and we've got these rear lights which now aren't recessed and are a nice sort of clear gloss finish. With it being a 130, this has got an absolutely huge boot. So if you look in there, it is absolutely massive. It will fit pretty much anything, and that second row of seats will also go down as well. It's a fully approved car, which means it's going to come with at least 1 year warranty, 2 years if you are financing the car as well. Also means that as far as the checks are concerned, there'll be no scuffs or scrapes, and certainly no damage to the alloy wheels. If we just go on to the rear of the car, you'll notice that we've got the full ebony leather interior. They've got their own climate control, and there's 2 USB-C points in there as well. Obviously privacy glass on the car. If we just come into the passenger front, we've also got electric seats for the driver and the passenger, both memory. With it being the HSE as well, we also have full Meridian sound system as well. If I just jump into the driver's seat, exact mileage on this car, it's done no miles, 1,842 miles on the car. If we just come on to the centre section here, you've got your climate control on here, which is where you'll push and twist for your heated seats, and also your cooling seats as well. We also then have all your terrain response system, which is done via here, and then you've got all your four-wheel drive systems as well. Air suspension on the car, so it will lower down automatically when you get out, but there's also the off-road modes if you are going to use the car other than just on the road. Sat-nav, Bluetooth and radio, and then we've got the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and a wireless charging facility here which will just dock in. Up onto the screen here, we've got a full interactive driver display, we've got adaptive cruise control with speed limiter and a heated steering wheel. Said about the Meridian sound system, and the little yellow dots are for the blind spot monitor. And then finally, sliding panoramic roof. And just on here, if I twist this to you, this is a screen which is a live feed to the rear of the car, and it's got a hydroponic lens, so it shouldn't get filthy. You can either keep that as a live feed for the rear, or you can pop it down and have it as a normal rear view mirror if you wish. But clear sight rear view mirror is a nice feature on this car as well. So very brief, I know, lot to pack in. However, really nice car, worth having a drive of this. Drives superb with the air suspension. You can also just reserve the car for £99 and we can look at the finance and part exchanges. Though if you would like to drive the car, speak to myself. I'm Chris and the number is 01642 644 444.